Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our mini Mondays. Okay guys, I'm jumping in real quick here to show you guys my Ko-fi membership items that I'll be sending out. So this is going to be the June group play, Build a S'more. So you're going to roll a d4, you're going to collect each piece of the s'more and save the amount rolled. For each completed s'more, save an additional blank. So you could decide like you're going to save $5 for each completed s'more. So if you roll a 1, you would save $1 and you would just check this little box here. If you roll another 1, you could check this box, save $1. And then once you have a completed s'more, you can save however much you want for the completed s'more. The back just has like a little chocolate bar on it. Okay, the next thing for everyone is getting this and everyone is getting this. This is a scratch off challenge. It says go wild for a while. There's little like camping gear under here with amounts for you to save. And then on the back you have a camp categories. So you're going to choose a letter. You're going to set a timer for 1 minute. Write down as many words as you can think of that start with that letter that are related to camping. And then you're going to save blank amount per word. So you could say like, I'm going to save $1 for each word that I can think of. So that's just a little extra. You can do like 1 letter a week or whatever. Okay. And then this is probably what I'm most excited about sending y'all. So this is for my doodlers, my doodler members. So the highest tier is they're going to be getting this. It's a box challenge called We're Going on a Bear Hunt. So the section 1, you're just going to save an amount for each of these items. You have to pack your gear. Section 2 is a little game. So you're going to get to the forest where the bears are and save an amount for each space. So you can decide, $1 for the dark green, $2 for the light green, or however much you want. All right, and then section 3, we have a scratch and save. So you're going to scratch and save until you find the bear. So the bear is hiding under one of these, and there's some other little critters under there for you guys to find. Section 4 is pitch your tent. So you're going to, figure out which tent you're going to use or what you're going to be staying in during your camping trip. And then we have a little this or that, so you can decide what you want to save for this and what you want to save for that. Would you rather camp in a tent or camp in a cabin, go canoeing or whitewater rafting? And then we have just a roll and save. This could be like a catch-all as well. So just a, cute little catch-all there for you. All right, so that is my Ko-fi memberships. I will be posting this in my Etsy store, this box challenge. So if you are interested in purchasing it, I'll be posting it there, probably not until June hits, but yeah, if I have my act together, I'll post it at the beginning of June and you can buy it for yourself. I just think it's so cute. The back just has like this little pattern on it. So anyways, those are the items for my Ko-fi memberships, guys. And if you haven't joined yet, or if you would like to join, this month I'll be sending stuff out here in the next couple of weeks. So if you join like before the 20th, I can send you the stuff for June. But if you join after that, then you'll get the stuff for July that I send out in June. So anyways, I just wanted to tack that onto this video, and here we go with the rest of the video. So I have $30 here. I have 25 ones and a spicy 5. So I'm just going to put this 5 somewhere random in the middle, kind of. And we are going to roll a 6-sided die. And that will tell us how many bills the challenges are getting today. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys are having a great week so far, a great start to your week rather, and that your Monday's going well. 1, 2, 3. I am recording this a little bit in advance because I'm trying to, post things on time for once. I feel like now that I am done with my school, I have more flexibility in my schedule. 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna try to get on like a better schedule with my YouTube and with everything instead of being like, you know, all hassled and hurried and scrambling all the time. That might be nice, huh? Okay, so this one is just getting 3. That's our last one. So I'm also going to be putting, let's put a paper clip on this one so that I know to start there for next time. Let me put the little paper clip right here. We'll start there next time. Okay, so let's see what we were able to save. So if you're new here, on Mondays, we do Mini Mondays. We save these funds for our sinking funds for next month, so the month of June. So this first challenge here is by Tailor Your Budget. It's a little T-Rex, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so can we talk about how expensive the movies have gotten recently? It's like $60 to go see one movie if you get snacks and stuff, which is insane to me. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Aria and I went to, and I don't know why I didn't like realize this sooner, but Aria and I went to the Minecraft movie on Friday, and she got an icy and I got a soda, and we got popcorn and pretzel bites. And that in and of itself was $40. $40, which is insane to me. And, you know, plus the tickets. So anyways, I need to save more for my entertainment fund if I'm going to be going to the movies with her, like even once a month. It's like, I don't think I had 60 saved in my entertainment envelope, so I had to pull from other places, but like, man, crazy to me. Anyways, I guess we could just stay home and watch movies, but that's not as fun. I like going to the movie theater sometimes, you know, but man, it's not affordable. It is not affordable unless we just don't get snacks, which, you know, having a 5-year-old girl with you, like, she's going to want her snacks. So anyways, this challenge is by Happy to Save with Hannah, and we are saving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. We had a 1 rollover, so we have 7 that we can put away. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6. We need $1 more. Okay, let's leave this as is with this 1 rollover right here, because maybe we'll finish another challenge and we can finish this one out with $1 more. All right, so let's see. Next we have this one. I'm going to take this off for a second so that it doesn't go flying away. This is I Don't Do Mondays. This is by Savings with Tracy, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have $10 now in here. So anyways, I need to figure out my life. I need to figure out my life, guys, because the math ain't mathin' on living and expenses, and, you know, I don't want to live a boring life. I'm sorry, but I don't. 5 and 6 is going in here this week. This one is by Wild Everest. So we can do 2, 4, 5, and 6. All right, so we have quite a decent amount in here now, and we are almost done with it. We have 25, 6, 7, and 8. So I guess this is a save 30, huh? Once we get those 2 other dollars, we'll have 30 bucks saved in there. So anyways, oh, my envelope just broke. Wonderful. You know, the whole Dave Ramsey thing about not spending anything until you're out of debt, it's just not realistic for me. I know that people follow him, and I mean, I follow some of his things too. But like, oh, luckily this one only needs $2, so we have some extra monies here. I think we're going to be able to finish a couple of challenges then. So like, not doing anything, he's like, you don't go out to eat. Like, you don't go out, like he would say, don't go to the movies. Like, don't do anything that costs money until you're out of debt. And for me, it's just like, okay, that I wouldn't be doing anything fun ever for like 5 years. Like, that's not, I'm sorry, but that's not how I want to live my life. I know I'm trying to get out of debt too. And I'm trying to be realistic and reasonable. And I'm not going out and like doing a ton of crazy stuff and just blowing my cash on whatever. But like, also, a girl's got to have some fun. You know, girls just want to have fun sometimes. Goodness gracious. Like, is that too much to ask? I'm sorry, I'm going on a little rant right now. But man, oh man, it is tough. It is tough when going to the movies costs you like $60. And maybe I just need to say no to Aria. Maybe I just need to be like, we're just getting popcorn, you know, or we're just getting an icy. But how can I say no to her little face all the time when it's not something that we do that often? All right, anyways, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, okay. I don't know why I was confused there for a second. All right, so $13. And we saved, what day is today? It is the 9th when I'm recording this. All right, so we are gonna put this in our finished challenges bag. Woohoo, 1 challenge is done today, and I think we're gonna be able to finish some more. So that one is done. All right, and then this one is a new one that we have. This is by Shade's Budget and My Budget Life, sorry, and we are saving 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Aria's laughing at the movie that she's watching, Matilda. Okay, let's go back to this one because I think we'll definitely be able to finish this. We needed just 1 more dollar. So there's that. This lemonade. We made our lemonade today, guys. We made some lemonade. And so we have saved 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. $22. Let me get a 20 from here. Condense a little bit. And let's write the date. All right, wonderful. So yeah, if you have been around for a minute, you noticed that I increased my funds for Mini Mondays. I can't remember what I did last week. Was it $40 maybe? This week I did 30, just kind of based on what I have. But okay, let's finish this Sloth one because this has been in here for a while. And this one just needed 2 more dollars, so we're adding those $2 today. Wow, I just really went at that, didn't I? I was so excited. I was so excited to color those in. I forgot to do it somewhat nicely. Man, I just don't want to stay inside the lines. I'm just too excited. Okay, so 5, 9, and we have $30. We should have 30. Let me double check. 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. We do, indeed. All right, guys, so we finished 3 challenges today. That is amazing. I'm so excited about that. 3 challenges. Yay! Those are going into our finished challenges bag. And I feel like it needed some love because look how skinny she is. She's a skinny mini right now. She needs to be fed. Feed me is what she's saying right now. And we're trying. We are doing our best, girlfriend, to get you fed that money, okay? We're doing our best. All right. So anyways, thank you all for being here, for sticking around. If you made it to the end of the video, let me see. What can you leave me? Let me just pull a random thing out of here. Let's see. What is this? What is this? Oh, a mouse. Leave me a mouse emoji if you made it to the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.